Thanks for joining us at Bunters Yard for this 1000 subscriber giveaway video. And at the end of this video we'll show you how you can be in the chance of winning one of these two Dapol Fruit Vans, which we have just weathered and released a video. The link is going to be up there somewhere. Now if you're a YouTube creator, you'll already know the significance of getting to 1000 subscribers. If you're not, let me quickly explain the benefits to me and to you getting to 1000 and why I'm so grateful that you've got me to this position. So the first thing that most people understand, that when you get to 1000 subscribers, that you get what they call monetized, and that means that YouTube will pay us a certain amount of money every time that somebody views one of the videos. Now it's a very small and pretty much insignificant amount of money, but if we get lots and lots of views, obviously that money all adds together, and hopefully that will allow me to buy some new wagons or some rolling stock that we can weather and we can show on here, and some of those we can put up as more competitions and giveaways. Now that we've passed our 1000 subscribers, YouTube unlock a few additional features on this channel which we can all enjoy. So the first one is live streaming. So that means we can go live and we can stream one of our videos, maybe weathering a wagon. We can do it live and you can watch and interact, send comments and messages and ask questions as we go. So if you think this will be a useful feature, just leave a comment down below. Just let us know what sort of thing you'd like to see, and we can work towards getting that all set up and getting that going. Another feature that YouTube unlock is the community tab, which is not live as we speak, but will be very, very shortly. The community tab, we can do questionnaires and polls. So if we want to know whether you'd like to see more diesels or more steam or more wagons or more accessories, we can set a poll up for you in the community tab, or we can just show you things we're working on, give you some ideas, just a place for discussion. So keep an eye on that. That'll be coming along in the next couple of days, and when that's live, we'd love to see you there. It helps us shape the channel for the way that you want it to be, because it's all about what you're after really, and it's not necessarily what I want to weather, because it's pointless if no one wants to watch it. So that's what the community tab is for. So getting back to these, now I'm sure you want to know how you'll be with a chance of winning one of these. Now all you need to do is to leave a comment down in the comments, and you need to let me know whether you want to win the red one or the blue one. They've both been weathered especially for this giveaway, and the red one you can see being weathered in this video up here and in the description down below. So what you need to do is write in your comment red, and then maybe you want to tell me why you want the red one. If it will go in with your layout, or you just like the red one. If you prefer the weathering on that one, then great. So red followed by your comment, or blue followed by your comment. So any giveaway is going to have some rules. So here's the rules. First one is you can only enter once. Rule number 2 is please only enter if you've got the UK address where we can post these to. Overseas postage can be quite prohibitive, as I'm sure you're aware, and for this particular one it's just for UK addresses only. Hopefully in the future we'll set one up where anybody can enter. And number 3 is that the winner will be chosen completely at random next weekend, sometime after August the 13th at midnight. And over that weekend we'll contact the lucky person to let them know that they've been chosen once we've verified the UK address and that they are subscribed. I didn't mention that. Please subscribe if you've never already done that, and that our decision is final. So that's all we need to do. Just leave a comment down below. Let us know if you want the red or the blue one. Maybe let us know why you want that particular colour, and then just sit back and enjoy some more videos from Bunters Yard. So that's it for this video. I want to thank everybody that's subscribed to the channel so far. It's been fantastic that you've decided to join us. I want to thank everybody that's watched every single video. It means a lot when we see how many people watch the videos. And also I want to thank everybody who leaves any comments down below. I try to answer every single one. If I don't answer, I'll at least try and give you a thumbs up. So it's always nice to hear from you, and your comments and suggestions are valued each and every time. So until the next video, stay safe and we'll see you soon.